Wow, this green juice, I want to call it a smoothie almost because it is so smooth and thick. Mm. Or like a cold soup. Mm. Wow. And it starts the bowel movement, and today's the day where I can more clearly feel the effects of the last days of leaving certain foods away and eating certain foods. It started yesterday already a little bit, but I can feel the energy. I sort of feel clean in my aura, like here, like around my body. And I've been noticing that my skin got very smooth pretty quickly. Of course, it still has its dimplings and so on, but yeah, it's changing, and I'm notice my system is grounding, calming down, especially since I'm leaving away high sugars loads. So I do eat a banana, but in combination with a crunchy smoothie. And I notice how my appetite is increasing. So it's something to get it adjusted to right now, because the last few days I always felt like I just want to drink juice, and in the evening I got hungry and I ate something, but now it tends to start in the morning already that I feel hungry. But I like to prolong drinking juice as long as possible, and so I crave, after eating my crunchy smoothie with the banana, I craved eating another banana. It looked so ripe and yummy, and I would rather use it for tomorrow's crunchy smoothie. So I still have my green juice in planning, so I still plan to drink it. Yeah, so I got started to prepare that. And it's so rewarding, and it is so rewarding, so yummy, so rich and full. And the secret ingredient, I mean, it's a whole blend of a lot of things, but what makes it really like, almost like, well, sort of like lunch, is that I like to add a bit of onion, and that makes it so tasty. And yeah, I added an apple, 2 different kinds of lentils, sprouted lentils, and in German you say Giersch and Brennnessel, grün, and lemon, celery and cucumber, and parsley with the stems as well. I think I already mentioned apple, yeah. Thinking anything else? Oh, a bit of thyme, dried thyme, and rosemary. Yeah, and so stevia, I added 3 drops of them, or 4. And yeah, it's amazing. 1 apple, 3 3/8 of a lemon with the skin, and oh yeah, sunflower green, microgreen, like a bunch, and a bunch of pea green, pea microgreens. Yeah, and like a handful, like a really good handful of green sprouted lentils, and a smaller handful of orange sprouted lentils, And yeah, and it's so yummy. Mm. Cheers. Mm. To, mm. To health and well-being. Mm. Such a nice feeling.